Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Shopify tutorial step by step.
If you're running an online store and want to unlock powerful marketing insights, learning how to install the TikTok Pixel for Shopify is an absolute must. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your TikTok Pixel set up on your Shopify store using the quickest and most straightforward method, so you can start tracking visitor activity, improve your ad targeting, and make real data-driven decisions to grow your business. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin page. This is your main command center for everything related to your store: products, sales, analytics, and more. If you're already logged in, great. Just make sure you're looking at your main admin dashboard. If you're brand new to Shopify, don't worry, this is just shopify.com, and you log in with your store credentials. Next up, look for the Apps section, which you'll find on the left side menu. Go ahead and click on Apps. Apps are like little superpowers for your store. They help you add features, automate tasks, and connect with other platforms. In this case, we're searching for TikTok because we want to add the TikTok Pixel via the official TikTok app integration. In the search bar at the top, just type in TikTok. You should see a few options pop up, but what you're looking for is the official TikTok app, usually labeled TikTok, sometimes with channel or TikTok for business in the name. Select it from the list and you'll see details about what it does and what permissions it needs. Now, click Install. Shopify will walk you through a few permission screens. This is standard and just ensures TikTok can properly connect to your store data for tracking and analytics. Installing the app might take a few seconds, so don't worry if it hangs for a moment. If you ever feel unsure during this part, just read anything on screen for peace of mind. These permissions are normal for marketing integrations. Once the TikTok app is installed, you'll see a welcome screen with a few instructions to connect TikTok to your Shopify store. This might include logging into your TikTok for business account or creating one if you don't have it yet. Think of this like connecting two puzzle pieces. You're linking your TikTok ad account with your Shopify store so that the Pixel, essentially a tiny piece of code, can start tracking visitors and actions, like who checked out, who added items to cart, and so on. Just follow the prompts. They're typically very straightforward. Just a few screens asking you to sign in, authorize access, and confirm the connection. If the instructions mention copying and pasting a Pixel ID, don't worry. The app does this automatically for you. Shopify and TikTok have made it so the integration is plug and play. As long as you're following the screens, you're golden. It's kind of like setting up a smart device at home. Once the accounts are talking to each other, there's not much else you need to do. And that's it. Your TikTok Pixel is now installed, tracking visitors and feeding valuable data back to your TikTok account so you can run smarter ad campaigns, reach new audiences, and measure what's working. It might take a little while for data to start showing up in your TikTok dashboard, so don't stress if you don't see results immediately. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about Pixels, Shopify apps, or anything else marketing related. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tutorials and tips to help grow your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.